My name is Luis Carranza from PrimeLending, and today I want to share some information on a product that not a lot of consumers are aware of, especially first-time home buyers. So there happens to be a lot of confusion when it comes to down payment assistance programs, which are very much available throughout the nation. But there's one in particular that is a program that's more of a shared equity type of program. And what I mean by shared equity is, let's say, for example, you're shopping around for a home and you happen to come across a house that maybe is a little bit too expensive, which means you'd have to come up with more of a down payment. And usually what happens is you as the consumer end up buying something a lot smaller, which then you have to adjust to your family or the type of amount of square footage that you'll need. And that happens quite a bit. So there's a program out there that actually allows you to not only be able to put the amount of down payment that you were thinking, but also have it matched. And what I mean by that is this. Let's say that you go and find a house. It's a little bit more expensive because you have to come up with more of a down payment, as I mentioned, but it gives you the extra room you need, or maybe it gives you the extra footage or larger lot in your home. In most cases, of course, you wouldn't be able to afford it. But there's a program out there that Prime Lending right now offers. It's called Unison. In Unison, what it does is they come in and then they basically match part of your down payment. So let's say, for example, that you come down with 10% down. So Unison will come in and match that 10% down for you. So now you're looking at a total of 20% down. So how does that benefit you and how does it work? What I'll do is I'll just explain some of the basic parts of it. One, it gives you more of a purchasing power, number one. So now you are able to come up with more down payment without it having come out of your pocket up front. Secondly, what does Unison do? Well, Unison wants to be a partner with you, a shared equity partner. And what that means is basically is they will match your down payment up to 10%. And then when you're done closing the loan, uh, in 3 years or more, you can either go ahead and pay them their share equity, which in most cases can be up to 30%. And what that means is that however you actually purchase your home at the value that you purchased it at today, in 3 years or more, you would only have to pay them a percentage of what your home increased in value. So in other words, you still keep the house. You don't have to pay any payments during the time that you have your home. As long as you have the unison there, there's no interest accumulated, there's no payments required. And guess what? After 3 years or more, you can go ahead and buy them out by just paying 30% up to 30% of the equity that's in the property. Or you can keep it for the entire term of the loan until you either sell the house or pay off the loan and then you can pay them off. So as I'm saying is this program is actually out there for the consumer. There's a lot more details that go involved, but it's one of the most amazing products out there. Currently, this product is offered through Prime Lending for any loan that's above the conforming limit. So whatever your county limit is, a dollar above it or jumbo loan, we can actually work with you. So for more information and details on this program, please contact us here at Prime Lending. And I look forward to giving you more education on the product and other products down the road. Thank you.